Long press the power on button to turn on the machine. The left side is the adjustment area. Freeze button. Back button. Measurement button. General measurement button. Up, down, left, right, OK button. Image save button. Video playback button. The device has 4 modes. The first one is B mode, the second one is BB mode. The third is 4B mode. The fourth BM mode. Adjustment mode area. Click left, right or up and down. Select the mode we want. Click the OK button. BM mode appears in the screen. Click the up and down buttons to select the desired mode and press the OK button to switch modes. Select BB mode first, click OK button. Enter BB mode. Image adjustment in B mode. Frequency. Number of focal points, focus position. Gain. Flip up, down, left, right flip, black and white switch, total gain. Near field gain. Far field gain. Dot line, grid line and pseudo color. Select the parameter you want to adjust first. Click OK. Click up or down to adjust. Click the back button to confirm. The rest of the parameters can be adjusted in order. After making the image, click the freeze button. Click the measure button. Click the OK button. Find the position to be measured. Click the OK button. Move to the end of the measurement and click OK. Click the Save Image button. Select the path where you want to save the image. Click OK. Image pull up. Select the Settings option. Select the Image Pullout option. Select the storage path. Click OK. You can select the corresponding image according to the time. The image can be retrieved